Hello children, welcome back to your biology class. Here today again we are with the same chapter but with a different topic, and today's topic is taxonomical aids. What is taxonomical aids? Firstly, what is taxonomy? Taxonomy is the study of classification, and whatever we have classified we have to study them. So aids are the materials which are helpful in studying the taxonomical things. So today we are here with some of the taxonomical aids which we have to study. So biologists have established certain procedures and techniques to store the information or to preserve the information of all the specimens. Means there is a large diversity of living things on our earth. So we need to study the characteristics of each and every one. On the basis of their characters, we have grouped them in a hierarchy. We have read in the last: kingdom, phylum, class, order, genus, species and all. And just to know which should come in which category. So therefore, to establish a procedure and techniques and to store the information, biologists have divided these taxonomical aids. The first one is herbarium. It is very common. We are doing in our colleges also. Means it is a store of plants. In this we store a house collected dried plants. Clear? Plants are dried and they are pasted. Small plants are dried and they are pasted on the pages, and a well labeling is done and the classification is also shown, and these are preserved in a file, and whenever there is a need we can see these files according to our need. So this is the herbarium file. We will need also. Then the botanical gardens. What are the botanical gardens? These are the special type of gardens where special plants are grown. Clear? These are the gardens and that have collection of living plants with their labeling, and the labeling is also done, tagging is also done. Why? Means the researches are going on in these labs, in these gardens on different species of plants, so that more studies can give more medicinal plants. So here I have written one branch, that is NBRI, National Botanical Research Institute. This is in Lucknow. Here different kinds of plants are there which are grown on the field for our use. So these are the botanical garden. Next is museum. I hope you all are familiar about the museum. Most of you have maybe visited there. In Lucknow also museum is there, but that is not the biological museum. Here we have to read about the biological museum. So biological museums are set for educational purpose. What is the main aim? Is to give the education about the biological things, and they have a collection of preserved plants and animals in their own way. Means skeleton, we can see the skeletal system also. We can see the organisms which are present on earth and which are extinct. We can see those organisms also over there. Those plant species also, very rare species, can be seen in the biological museum. Next is zoological part. This is very common. Zoo. We all means we generally visit to the zoo. So zoo are the place where wild animals are kept. Here we can see tiger, giraffe, leopards, rhinos. We can see all these animals live, and they are kept in a protected environment and under the human cares. Clear? Next is key. Key is used for identification of plants and animals based on similarities and dissimilarities. Means keys are a special kind of aid in which we generally see only the characters. Whether it is manually we see or we see in a catalog, we just see whether the characters are similar or dissimilar. So on the basis of the characters we identify the organisms. That is the key. Other than these, there are other aids also, that is flora, manuals, monograph and catalogs. these are also used for recording the descriptions. So what does flora means? Flora means on the basis of habitat, means living area, we can identify the organism. What does manual means? Means in this we just see particular species in a particular area. Suppose polar bears, they are found in the Kashmir region. Polar bears, they are found in the pole region. So these are comes under the study of manuals. Then comes monograph, means particular taxons study is known as monograph, means information of only one species, that is known as monograph. Catalog we see generally this is a collection of pictures in which we can see the organism in and this is helpful, means a big organism like whale can be seen in a catalog. And microbes which we can't see with our naked eyes, that can also be seen in a catalog. So that's all for today. I hope you all have understood this. We will meet in the next video. Stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.